Don't be those guys, EA. Nobody likes that guy, EA. Just give me a decent player, and you know what? I will never. Oh my God! No! 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 No way! No! 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 No way! No! Shut the fuck up! Fuck me in the ass! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, yes, thank you, EA! Oh fuck, I love you guys!
If I get anything good, come on, please, 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 please. Messi! No! 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 No way has this happened! No! No! Oh my God! I cannot believe Messi! No! Oh my God! Oh my Lord! Oh my God! I got Messi! Oh my no! No! This is my best pack ever! Oh my God! No! Everyone in my house can hear this. Oh my God! I can't believe this! Oh my God!
Come on, third pack. Christmas. It's hit my hand. It's Christmas. Please give me something good, EA. Please. Go get it! Oh my God! Ah! Come in! Oh my God! Oh my God!
What a pack!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Really coming! Ah!
What a pack!
Are you holding it from? Are you really coming? Christmas time! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh,
yes,
what about duplicate? Duplicate! Oh! What a pack! How much is that good in?
Alright, the last pack, guys. If you haven't enjoyed the video, I do hope that you leave a like for this amazing weekly pack opening, which tops my previous stuff. Again! Oh my God, again! Oh my God, we got him again!
And Mazinski!
Oh my God! Holy hell, we got him from Godin for a second time! EA! Oh, oh my God!
It's a Christmas miracle!
It's a Christmas miracle!
Talk properly!
I can't talk! Thank you so much, EA!
So, noch 1900 FIFA Points. Weiter geht's, weiter geht's, weiter geht's. Weiter geht's, weiter geht's und der 10 und der 10. Lewandowski! Yes! Fick die Hände, Alter! Putz, 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 Alter! Lewandowski! Robert Lewandowski! Aha, yeah, yeah! Lewandowski! Aha, aha, yeah, yeah, yes! Fuck! Ja, Mann! Da hat sich die ganze Scheiße ja schon wieder gelohnt, Alter! Ja, Mann, Alter! Ja!